students of class 5, those who are studying Oxford International English, let's start the lesson, that is life in the sea, and page number 42. Let me explain the word cloud: carnivores, consumers, food chain, herbivores, predators and producers. So first of all, I would like to give you how to define these terms. Carnivores, so carnivores कौन से जानवर होते हैं, and consumers and herbivores and predators. Students, carnivores, they are the animals that eat the other animals, and consumer, they are the living organisms that feed on plants or other animals for energy. And food chain is a process in which the animals get their food, and human beings, they also get their food with the chain process. And herbivores, living organisms that eat only plants. And predators, organisms that use to prey the other organisms, जो दूसरों का शिकार करते हैं. And producers, green plants make their own food by sunlight, water to make sugar, or that is the food for the plants. Okay. Now the glossary, difficult words. Brittle, easy to break, external, on the outside, extinct, not alive. And fossils, the hardened remain of the plant and animals, and survive the continue to live. Let's study now life in the sea. Life on the earth began in the sea millions of years ago. The first living thing were far smaller than the dot on this eye. So that was a dot, that organism was like a dot. As millions of years passed, thousands of different sea plants and animals took on many shapes, sizes and colors. Some began to swim and some began to crawl, and some are still around today and some are not. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये सबसे पहले जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स थे जो पानी के अंदर रहते थे फॉर मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स अगो, सो दे वर लाइक अ डॉट, और उनमें से दे वर हैविंग द डिफरेंट शेप्स. कुछ क्रोल करते थे, कुछ स्विम करते थे, तो दे वर हैविंग डिफरेंट क्वालिटीज. डेड एंड गॉन. Trilobites were among the earliest animals and lived in the sea more about 510 million years ago. They had jointed legs and external skeleton like insects and crabs. So this is the quality of their body. We don't know why, but about 250 million years ago they all died out. तो वो trilobites जो थे, they died for after some time. So trilobites became extinct. वो they have no survivor and they are not alive. We only know about them because some of their remain turned into the stones called fossils. Scientists use the fossils to work out how long ago they lived. Still here today. The brittle star is a sea creature that is the luckier than the trilobites, and this 180 million year old fossil looks like its living relative. So these creatures, they are having a very fast and very long, they are having a very long period to live. And brittle star have a round central disc and the 5 fragile jointed arms, and they can easily break, as you are looking at the picture. So they are having the shape like this trilobite. Today, as in the past, the large number of them are often found on sandy or muddy sea beds. So the next paragraph is, why do some animals become extinct? So students, some animals, they don't survive in these environment. So let's study what's the reason. So why did the trilobite become extinct, and why did the brittle star survive? until the 21st century. तो ये 21st century तक they were extinct, and after all the trilobites lived on earth for about 270 million years ago, 100 times as long as the human beings. It's because something happened to their food chain. So that reason and the cause is regarding their food chain process. So if they don't get the proper food, they are not alive and they don't survive. The food chain. All the plants and animals in the sea are a part of the food chain. And जितने भी जानदार उसमें रहते हैं पानी के अंदर, they are a part of the food chain and they depend on others. And the plants produce their own food from the sunlight. जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि पौधे अपनी खुराक खुद बनाती हैं. And this is why what are called the producers in the food chain. So their name is producer, as I have already explained. The animals cannot produce their own food. They need to consume the other animals or plants to survive. And this is why the animals are called consumers. Plants eating animals are called the primary consumers. जो पौधे जो जानदार ऐसे हैं, एनिमल्स ऐसे हैं जो पौधे खाते हैं, तो उनको प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स कहते हैं, और हर्बीवोर्स. And meat eating animals are called the secondary and tertiary, and that is the consumers or carnivores. If they kill other animals, so we call them predators. So this is the definition of predators, who kill the other animals. If the producers die, the consumer also in a danger, because the producers provide the energy in their food chain. So definitely अगर जो producer है, that will die, and the जो दूसरों consumers का survival है, that will be different. And scientists tell us that many different kinds of plants and animals become extinct 250 million years ago at the same time as the trilobites. And perhaps the trilobites died out because something happened to destroy their food chain. So trilobites have no survival because of the lack in their food chain or unavailability in the food. Let's start the comprehension now. Give the short answers. The first question is, where did the first living thing live? Example, in the sea. The students, here I have written the answers for you as you have read the chapter. First answer is, the first living things were smaller than the dot. As the millions of years pass, they live in the sea, and some live on, some are alive और some are not. उनमें से कुछ जो है they are capable to survive, और कुछ जो है वो मर जाते हैं, died. And some two features of trilobites. Trilobites की कोई सी दो खूबियाँ बतानी है. They had jointed legs and external skeleton like insects and crabs. And name an animal that lived more than 1 million years ago and can still be found today. The brittle star is a sea creature and is 180 million years old, and is still seen in sandy or muddy sea beds. Now question 4. What happens to the animals in the food chain if the plants die? The animals in the food chain, those eat the plants, will die if the plants do not become their food. जब उनको खुराक नहीं मिलेगी, so they will become die. Choose the best answers. Plants consume or produce, यहाँ पे आएगा, plants produce their own food from water and sunlight, so they are called the producers. I have already marked. Part 2. Next in the food chain are zooplankton, and which are very tiny animals, and they eat the diatoms and they are consumers. Another name for them is carnivores. And the crabs that eat the zooplankton, so they are both consumers and they are called carnivores also. So students, I have explained you this lesson and we have done the exercise. So next time I will do the next chapter. Take care. Bye bye.